going on, man?
Doing good, how are you?
Excellent.
Getting a lot of footage?
Crazy, yeah.
A lot to see here.
Yeah, it's bigger this year than last year, too.
Yeah, I think so.
How big is your sealed section per sub?
1.7.
So you can play down to what, 24, 26?
Not really, because I have SPL.
Oh, yeah.
Spiders. I can play 30 pretty good, 32.
Okay.
But its peaks a lot higher. Its peaks 49.
That's not bad.
So I can play a little low.
Yeah. Okay.
Like that song I've been playing is this one's 34.
Alright. This is solid, dude.
Yeah.
Looks good. That's pretty good. Dude, that high note's what, 52, 54 hertz with window down?
Probably.
Man. Whew.
Yeah, probably.
Holy smokes, that's musical still, dude. That sounds
It's not
excellent.
bad.
I like it, dude.
For being SPL,
Yeah.
tones and surrounds, it still does good.
What did y'all get out of it, meter-wise?
It does. We're on 4 amps out of 8 right now.
Okay.
On all 8, I've done a 67 sealed.
Congrats.
So it's probably
awesome.
like, we're probably demoing a 63 right now.
Yeah.
Something like
That's
that.
impressive, dude. Broken this.
Yeah, oh yeah. It's probably pretty floppy there.
Have you done any mods behind the dash?
We took the heater core and all that mess out.
Okay.
And then just put like Vibroflex on it. No steel, no nothing like that.
Alright.
Just
Wow.
multi-layer
Solid, man.
Vibroflex, steel floor, steel roof.
Awesome. Appreciate it, man.
No problem.
That was awesome. What was your name?
No, Matt.
Matt.
Limitless.
Yep. Yes, sir. I know.
Appreciate you.
Yes, sir. Thank you. I always ask for the video.
Yeah, yeah.
Have fun today. Ooh. Appreciate it. going on, everybody? This is JacobViral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.